but I don't know. Am I going to eat or not? Coming next is an egg. And there's another one. I haven't tried this one. Try or not? Try or not? Try or not? Try or not? Try. Yes, no, yes, no, yes. Let's go for it. Okay. I will go for this one first. Oh, I cannot open it. Great. Thanks God. No, I have to try. Okay, scissors, scissors. I don't like the smell. It's an egg. Oh, it smells so bad. Try this one. God, try this one. I cannot smell anything here. I don't know. I don't know what's that smell. Like I'm going to eat this one. God. Like actually, like I like the color, kind of chocolate, but I don't know. The taste is